Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. As some of you are aware, I'm on a journey to get my F-150 to 500,000 miles. The engine I have is a 3.5 liter EcoBoost with twin turbochargers. From what I've heard anecdotally, turbos are one of the first major components to go bad in this engine. It got me wondering, is the Valvoline Restore and Protect I have running inside the engine helping with the common issues, like coking? Well, I sent an email to them and here's what they said. Thank you for contacting Valvoline Product Support. Yes, while meeting and exceeding the API SP specifications, Restore and Protect is formulated with innovative additives that protect against low-speed pre-ignition (LSPI). This formulation is designed for modern turbocharged engines, including those prone to turbo coking. It is specifically designed to protect against issues like LSPI, which can occur in modern turbocharged gasoline direct injection (TGDI) engines, offering improved high-temperature deposit protection for pistons and turbochargers, thus mitigating coking concerns and provides greater longevity. The enhanced thermal and oxidative stability combat the high heat and higher in-cylinder pressures common in modern engines. I then asked Valvoline if their Restore and Protect product line degrades at a quicker rate than other oils in turbocharged applications. Or does it perform about the same as other oils like Pennzoil Ultra Platinum? Here's what they said. No, this product does not degrade at a quicker rate when compared to other qualified API SP and ILSAC GF6A engine oils in turbocharged applications on the market. Thanks to our dedicated ATSM certified internal engine lab, we're capable of running these required tests to ensure Valvoline products not only meet the standards, but exceed them. This allows us to provide products that go above and beyond just the basic standard of protection. Thank you and have a great day. Alright folks, well, what are your thoughts? For folks who are running turbocharged engines, would you run Valvoline Restore and Protect in it? Why or why not? Let me know in the comments. I want to know why you think it might be a good or bad idea in helping extend the life of the turbos. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you're watching one of my videos for the first time, consider checking out my other videos on my channel. You'll find videos of me opening up oil filters, videos about how I'm getting my truck to 500,000 miles, product reviews, among other things. Please check it out.